This is a Sweet Breeze AWS Sensory Kit. This kit can be used as a tool to help make your ride more comfortable. The first thing you will find within the kit is a waterproof plastic information sheet. On the sheet, you can find more information about AWS and an inventory of the contents within the kit. The next item you will find is the communication cards. For those who are nonverbal, these cards can be used to express how you're feeling. If you are scared, sick, feel like it's too bright, too loud, or even need to use the restroom, you can use these cards to communicate those and many more emotions. The next items are 3 different fidget toys. These toys are a fun way to calm any nervousness you may experience during the ride. Use one of these toys if you need something to play with. Inside the kit is also a pair of noise-canceling headphones. There are a lot of sounds that you will hear during the Sweet Breeze boat ride, and if you ever feel like it's too loud, you can use these headphones to block out the noise as seen here. Once you are done using them, be sure to put them back into the protective bag for safekeeping. To help you feel more secure and grounded, a green neck weight can be found within the kit. It does not weigh much and will provide a comfortable security for you while on the boat. Wrap the weight around your neck for proper use, and the best results is seen here. As a safety precaution, name bands can also be found within the kit. These bands may be used to avoid anyone from becoming separated. On the band, there is a spot to write a name and contact information. You put the band on by wrapping it around your wrist, removing the paper, and taping the ends together. If you find yourself separated, use the name band to help. To stay clean and to protect the next person who uses the bag from germs, antibacterial wipes are in every kit. After use of any of the items in the kit, make sure you wipe them down with the wipe. This keeps everyone healthy and happy. If you need anything from the Sensory Kit during your Sweet Breeze boat ride, ask the adult supervisor or a boat crew member for it, and they will be happy to help retrieve it for you. The kit is here to help and to make your Sweet Breeze boat ride the best ride possible. See you on the boat.